This video is gonna be super long. I'm gonna chit chat a lot, so get your coffee and some snacks and just sit with me. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're wondering why am I whispering, it's because it's 11:45 and I thought I'll just film a random video where I'll be answering few questions, and at the same time I'll be doing my makeup, and I hope you guys enjoy this chit chat kind of video. Okay, so I rubbed my face with few ice cubes and now I'm going to start my makeup. So I like to moisturize my face. This is my all-time favorite aloe vera gel. The best part about this aloe vera gel is its consistency. Okay, so I'm just gonna answer a few questions. Okay, so thank you so much first of all. So most of the question about how I started my YouTube and how I got into vlogging. Yep. So I started my YouTube in 2016 and ये actually बहुत ही random सा था. Okay, so I always enjoyed being in front of the camera. I liked the fact that I was very photogenic. People around me told me that I'm very photogenic. No matter what I do, my pictures turn out to be very good. So I really enjoyed clicking pictures. 2015 में मैंने Instagram ज्वाइन किया था, एक साल पहले YouTube के, तो मैं ऐसे फ़ोटोज़ डाला करती थी. After some point my Instagram, it gained momentum and people started asking me like pretty details and what kind of lip color I'm wearing or my bag, my shoes, and I was like, damn, I never really considered myself to be a fashionista, but then I felt really very happy. So out of nowhere I discovered YouTube, and Sejal Kumar was one of the first YouTubers I started following. I always thought that YouTubers are for big shot celebrities or people who are already famous, so I thought you all had to pay this rent to post your videos on YouTube. I had that perception about YouTube. So let me interrupt you. हाँ, तो usually मैं अपना makeup ऐसे ही start कर लेती हूँ. Moisturizer लगाती हूँ, I apply sunscreen and then I start with blush and all that other stuff. I don't use foundation because I don't like how it feels on my skin. I feel very cakey. Maybe I'm not using the right shade, or maybe I'm not using the right product. Maybe I'll discover something in the future that will suit me and I'll stick to it. But as of now, I don't like using foundation. Even though I prefer BB cream, say very light, and I like the feel of it. I'm just gonna move directly to blush. So yeah, for my blush I'm just gonna smile and I'm just gonna color the apples of my cheek. Yeah, so मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि YouTube के लिए you'll have to pay rent and then you will be able to upload videos. So मैंने ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था, but मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता था जब people used to talk about their lifestyle and they used to make videos about fashion. I was like, wow, I wish I could do that someday. And then one fine day, okay, October की कुछ बात है 2016 में, शालिनी, most of you would know her, she is one of my close friends. हम लोग जिम में मिले थे, okay, we are gym buddies, and उसको जाने में को सिर्फ 1 महीना ही हुआ था, and she uploaded her story कि check out my new video, link in bio, and I was like, what? I watched her videos and I was like really shook. Like I never knew that common people like us could upload videos on YouTube. पूछा कि wow, you are into this, कैसे and all. So it's very easy. You need to shoot and you need to edit and then you can upload whatever content you want. You don't have to pay for it and all. And I was like, oh my god, is this a dream? Like, will I be able to do it? And then after some time I gathered all the courage and जितने भी सेल्फ डाउट्स थे वो सबको मैंने दूर रखते हुए फाइनली एक वीडियो बनाने का सोचा. एंड आई लिंक माई फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो. शी एडिटेड फॉर मी एंड आई अपलोडेड एंड आई वाज लाइक, लेट्स डू दिस. Then I really got good response from my close friends and family. I was really very happy about it. Okay, so the blush that I'm using is from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. Abhi I out of stock. Very subtle color. It's easily blendable. So I like to apply on the apple of my cheeks and some here. I like it. So moving on, that's how I started my YouTube channel. And उसके बहुत दिनों बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, लोग मुझे जज करेंगे. You have that self doubt and you get anxious because मेरा स्कूलिंग काफ़ी मेरी टफ रही, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस और इन सब के काफ़ी इश्यूज रहे. This I will cover in a different video. I was bullied for my complexion, weight and whatnot. So that's a different topic, we'll cover some other time. So फिर उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे. काफ़ी कुछ लोगों से ऐसा hate comment I wouldn't say, but they used to make fun of me, like, oh my god, what is she up to, he kya kar rahi hai and all. And then I started hiding, like I literally, even now when I upload my YouTube video, I don't tell people about it. Like you would hardly see me posting about it on my Instagram, because वहाँ पे काफ़ी बहुत सारे मेरे स्कूल के काफ़ी जजमेंटल लोग हैं, एंड दे पुट मी डाउन एंड आई एम रियली नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू फेस देम एंड देयर सरकाज़म. सो आई एम अप्लाइंग शुगर कॉस्मेटिक का क्रेयॉन लिपस्टिक. सो आई लाइक टू अप्लाई लिपस्टिक इंस्टेड ऑफ आई शेडो, बिकॉज दे आर ईजिली ब्लेंडेबल एंड ऑल्सो काफ़ी क्रीमी होते हैं, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि इस वीडियो से आपको कुछ ज्ञान मिलेगा, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मैं बस अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रही हूँ. एंड माई फ्रेंड्स आर रियली वेरी सपोर्टिव, लाइक वेरी सपोर्टिव. दे हेल्प मी आउट विद द शूट, एंड वेन एवर आई टेल देम लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, आई नीड योर हेल्प, कैन यू डू दिस, एंड माई सिस्टर. सो काफ़ी, इफ यू आर सराउंडेड विद गुड फ्रेंड्स नाउ, हाफ ऑफ योर ट्रबल्स आर gone, and I'm blessed to have them. Okay, so yeah, that's how I started my YouTube. So वीडियो कैसे एडिट करनी है. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ अबाउट एडिटिंग. सो पहले मैं अडोब प्रीमियर प्रो यूज़ करती थी. वो काफ़ी सही एडिटर है फॉर एडिटिंग योर वीडियोज़, फॉर फिल्मेटोग्राफी, वॉट नॉट. इट्स अ ग्रेट एडिटर. बट देन after some time I started using iMovies. So for beginners, iMovies is the best, and I use iMovies to edit my videos these days. And जो लोग start कर रहे, they can try InShot. So you can use KineMaster or you can use InShot to edit your videos. So as you can see, I'm applying highlighter just on the lids. So जितना बचा हुआ है उसको मैं यहाँ डालूँगी एकदम, like the corner of my eyes. Sorted. What are the 3 things you don't leave your home without? My wallet, my phone, and lipstick. Yes, what is your age? You're from Kerala, eagerly waiting for your full face makeup video, dear. Okay, my age, I'll turn 24 this year. Oh my god, I feel that I've not achieved anything in life, and सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी जा रहा है. My days are going by so fast. I don't know if it's me or just all of us have that feeling. You are from Kerala. Yes, I'm Amallu. I'm from Kerala. Eagerly waiting for your full face makeup. This is my full face makeup. I'm doing it for you. So yeah, let's move on to the next question. How to lose weight and your height and my weight. Okay, so I'm 5'4", and my weight, the last time I checked, I was 62. Yes, I lost 10 kgs last year, and there's no shortcut to losing weight. I started working out. I was really very much okay. I need concentration now. I was very much regular to the gym. I made sure never to miss my gym sessions. So मेरे classes 5 बजे ख़त्म होती थी, and I used to rush for 6-7 PM classes, क्योंकि PG के भी मेरी time restrictions हुआ करती थी. तो I was really very dedicated towards my fitness, and so no matter what you do guys, working out is really important. मैं कितना भी छोटा ही क्यों ना हो, 30 minutes आप अपने लिए निकालो. 30 minutes you work out and invest for yourself, and please stick to your diet. And also apple cider vinegar helped me a lot. मैंने काफ़ी पढ़ा था apple cider vinegar के बारे में, and I actually started drinking it. तो मुझे काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा. So try apple cider vinegar. I hope it helps you. And also I read this quote somewhere that your body is made in the kitchen, not in the gym. Like it's 70% diet and 30% workout. So I have this brown kajal. It's from Wet n Wild. एंड मुझे ये काजल काफ़ी पसंद है, क्योंकि ये जेट ब्लैक नहीं है. इट गिव्स दैट नेचुरल फिनिश सिंस इट्स ब्राउन. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू अप्लाई सिर्फ नीचे. आउटफिट्स फॉर कर्वी वंस, I've done a video on it. I'll link it down. वो लास्ट ईयर मैंने किया था, सो मैंने वो वीडियो किया है. सो प्लीज़ check my description, you'll find that video. Any suggestions for a guy who is going to start his journey as a YouTuber? You have to be consistent. Look who's talking. Yeah, if you want to take YouTube as your career, then you really have to be consistent find your calling, like which content you want to make, something that you are good at and also what your viewers would like to watch, and be consistent. It's gonna take some time to get your audience, but if you start posting content, good content consistently, then there's no looking back. See the difference it made to my eyes. Like kajal can make a lot of difference, man. So I'm just gonna use my finger to just smudge a little because I like smudgy kajal at times. If you had a chance of changing a body parts, what would it could be? I think it took me a lot of time to accept myself for the way I am, so I wouldn't really want to change any body part, but then I would like to try lenses. I would really like to try lenses. So these days we have this crazy Insta filters now, so I've tried and I figured out like hazel green eyes looks terrific on me. Like I'm not even kidding, I post a picture somewhere here and I'm obsessed. So if I had a chance to change something, I would change my black iris to hazel one. What's your favorite part in your body? I think I like my eyebrows, even though my parlor aunties have messed it up and अभी काफ़ी पतले हो गए हैं मेरे eyebrows, but फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि मेरा eyes और eyebrows काफ़ी पसंद है. Biggest mistake in your life? सही टाइम पे कट लेना चाहिए. पता है, सही टाइम पे सही जगह से निकल जाओ ना तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. You should just let go of things if they're not working out. Tell about your self-acceptance journey, about being a dusky girl in India and explore your true beauty. Self-acceptance, yeah, I've struggled a lot. Like my school days, they have been terrific. Like I'm not even kidding. People used to bully me, not the extreme kind of bully, but they used to, throw shade on me. They used to disguise their insecurities or hate as a joke, like hey हम तो मजाक कर रहे थे यार, तुम दिल पे ले रही है. तो मुझे काफ़ी मेरे स्किन कलर के लिए बोला जाता था काली मसूड़ी भैंस, पता नहीं क्या क्या तो बोला जाता था. उस टाइम पे तो यार बुरा बहुत लगता था. लाइक लिटरली मैं घर आती थी, बेसन ट्राई करती थी, और मलाई, बेसन, दही, शक्कर, दूध, पता नहीं क्या क्या तो ट्राई नहीं किया है, बट नहीं हुआ कुछ. फेशियल हेयर के लिए भी काफ़ी बोलते थे, तो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट है यार. मुझे लगता है अभी फिर भी अपनी कम्युनिटी काफ़ी एक्सेप्टिंग हो गई है, बट उस टाइम पे बिल्कुल नहीं थी, स्पेशली स्किन कलर को लेके. तो काफ़ी मुश्किल से मेरा जो जर्नी है काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट था. बट देन आई नो मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने सफ़र किया. आई गेस 1 in every 3 Indian would have had issues in their school life, either for their weight or either for their complexion, too fat, too skinny, too fair, too pale, too brown, whatnot. So yeah, these are some of the topics that I actually need time to cover. So let me know if you guys want to watch something on it. I'll do a full-fledged video on it. So अभी तो काफ़ी कुछ करना है. Okay, so the next question is, हम हमेशा ही अच्छे कैसे दिखे, कुछ टिप्स हमें दे डेली रूटीन के. आई गेस इंस्टेंटली अगर आपको अच्छा दिखना है तो first thing, get rid of your facial hair. Like when I do my eyebrows, when I get rid of my upper lip hair, I feel instantly beautiful. So second, smell good. To apply good lipstick. Yeah, ये सब चीज़ें अगर आप करो तो आप instantly you look put together. If you do these little things, या फिर कुछ स्टेटमेंट ज्वेलरी जैसे कि ये हुप्स हुए या फिर ऐसे कुछ आप पहन लीजिए तो काफ़ी डिफरेंस आ जाता है. एजुकेशन एंड फर्दर प्लान्स ऑन इट. आई हैव completed, I'm about to graduate hopefully, batch of 2020. So I've done my master's in social work with my specialization in human resource management. So for the plans, I don't know, I really don't have any idea about it because जो कुछ भी मैंने प्लान किया था वो अभी तो होने से रहा. waiting for things to happen. See yourself in next 5 years. Oh, this is a very deep and beautiful question. I think I want to see myself happy, just happy. Weight loss. You guys are really interested to know how I lost weight and all. I'll do a video on it, promise. अगर ये वाला वीडियो में अच्छे लाइक्स मिल गए और सक्सेसफुल रहा तो मैं डेफिनेटली कवर करूँगी. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू लाइक शेमलेस प्रमोशन. आप अपने हेयर्स के लिए क्या करते हैं, बहुत सुंदर है. थैंक यू मेघा. सो गाइस, आई वुड बी ऑनेस्ट, आई रियली वांट टू पुट इट आउट देयर. मेरे को मेरा बाल आई थिंक जीन्स की वजह से अच्छे हैं, मेरी मम्मी के, मेरे ग्रैंड मदर के बाल काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, इसलिए मेरे बाल भी ऐसे हैं। बट फिर भी आई वुड से कि मैं बालों में अंडा लगाती हूँ, कर्ड लगाती हूँ कभी कभी, 2 हफ्ते में एक बार, 1 हफ्ते में एक बार। सो इस सारी चीज़ों से भी काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है। जैसे कल मैंने एक लगाया था तो आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी अभी स्मूथ दिख रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा शाइन भी आ जाता है बालों में। सो ट्राई दैट आउट एंड आई होप इट वर्क्स फॉर यू। वार्डरोब टूर प्लीज़, माई वार्डरोब इज़ ऑल ओवर द प्लेस। आधा सामान बैंगलोर में रखा हुआ है, आधा सामान भोपाल में। ओके, सो let me just apply this lipstick. So this lipstick is from Lakme in the shade Coffee Commando। बहुत ही प्यारा सटल सा शेड है, बहुत ही लाइट है एक्चुअली। But if you're doing heavy makeup, I think this will definitely look good with it. So this is how the lipstick looks. It's a very beautiful coffee color shade and I really like this lipstick. इसको काफ़ी combinations के साथ आप लगा सकते हो, या तो आप अच्छा heavy makeup कर लो, ये lipstick लगा लो। इसको मैं थोड़ा कभी कभी से contour भी यूज़ कर लेती हूँ। अपने चीक बोन पे मैं इसे ड्रॉ करूँगी और अपने हाथ से उसको ऐसे blend करूँगी। I really like to mix lipsticks all the time. If you guys ask me like which shade, I always find it difficult to tell you because I just layer lipsticks and until I find a perfect shade for me. I guess most of us do that. So इसके ऊपर मैं ये वाला शेड लगाऊंगी, Lakme Nrit। जैसे like I would not glide it, I would just dab it on my lip, brown color. You manage to be positive throughout. I think it's a myth, like not all of us can be positive throughout. The thing that I feel I have like my failures or my tough times are not shown in front of the camera, so it's really very easy to assume that I have a very happening or a very positive life. It's not true. I have my fair share of days when I am lost, when I'm just so low, but still what I feel is that first thing is to accept, like जो हो गया, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, वैसे वाला मेंटालिटी रखना पड़ता है। लाइक यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ and accept the situation you are into. Like, okay, this happened to me, I'm really sorry about it, but what can I do about it next? What should be my next step to overcome the situation? I should not let that situation define me. So that's what I do. And second is I just like to feel that emotion. If I'm feeling very low, I like to feel it, because the more you bottle it up, it's gonna show in the coming days one way or the other. So just feel it, cry over it, listen to some good music, and then you're like, okay, fine, ab nahi rona, ab bahut ho gaya, now I have to get my shit together. I wish it was that easy, but I try, guys. All of us are trying here, and yep, just keep trying until you make it. Fake it till you make it. I want to look gorgeous and natural for my pics like you do. All thanks to my friends. They're really very patient. They really help me out with the pictures. What I do is for my candidates, I move around. I don't stay at one place. I just move around, and 10 में से एक फोटो तो अच्छी आ ही जाती है. So just play with yourself, just play around, and hopefully you'll get good candid selfies. It's really very important that you know your angles, like which side works best for you, and also good lighting. Try to click pictures in natural daylight, sunlight, especially golden hour. It makes a lot of difference, so I do that. What keeps you so inspired, and how do you have such a strong sense of passion? Thank you so much. I mean, I'm glad that it's coming out in this way, and I feel that I will never get this opportunity, or I will never get this time again. Like, I will never be this young, so I just try to make the best of it, and I don't like to take things for granted. I just don't like it too, because I've seen things go wrong when I take for granted. So that's something, and there are a lot of people who inspire me, so I like to listen to a lot of podcasts, and not like very high-fi लोगों के podcast में I can't relate with them. I like Kenny Sebastian के podcast, okay, Simple Ken. It's really amazing, it's beautiful. I guess the best part about podcast or a movie or a song is that there's this one line that will hit you. Like 50 minutes में वो बस एक line होगा जो आपका पूरा mentality, आपका perspective change कर देता है. When are you planning to do YouTube for full time? What are your future plans regarding your career? So I really haven't given this a thought, but I think I won't be doing YouTube full time, because for me YouTube, blogging, social media content creation is something that I do to rejuvenate myself, something that I do to relax and take a break from my routine life. So I feel that there are days when I do things out of love, out of curiosity, and it just turn out so good, and there are days when I do things out of pressure, like people are like, when is the next video coming, why are you not consistent, and stuff like that. So sometimes I feel that if I take YouTube as my full-time thing, I'll be working under pressure, and creativity or my best side never comes out when I work under pressure. So I need my good sweet time to figure out things. So probably I won't take it as my full-time job. You never know, things may change. So my future plans as of now is to stay indoors. That's it. Which makeup brand you think is the best? I mean, I really don't know much about makeup, but so far I've used Wet n Wild and I think it's a good deal. काफ़ी अच्छे products है उसके, so I would say Wet n Wild. So I guess that's pretty much about the questions, guys. I clubbed and I answered most of them. So that's pretty much about today's video, guys. So this is how the look turned out. I hope you like this chit chat kind of videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the first time I'm doing something of this sort on my channel, and thank you so much for watching. So please do like and subscribe, and if you want me to answer more questions, you can feel free to comment down below, or you can feel free to DM me. I hope I'll be able to answer them soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.